Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Tab S10 Plus to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then click on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can click on wherever you want to, then tap on your device's displays, and finally select Send at the bottom on the left of Samsung. Then receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Samsung, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files that you wish to send. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in Here's Some Tip pop-up, and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and choose Receive button. To scan the QR code though, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and simply point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!